Andy, can you tell me one of your jokes?
Why don't monsters eat clowns?
Because they
It
taste
tastes funny. I don't understand cloning at all.
That makes two of us.
I read a great book about zero gravity.
I just couldn't put it down.
Rain? Rain?
Rain, what are you doing?
Turning off the gravity generator.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Rain, are you sure about this?
Only one way to find out. It works.
Rain! You're at 40%!
Fuck.
Stay behind me!
Andy, be careful. Andy, you okay?